Yeah, so this guy right here, this is not your friend. Alright, that is a cabbage moth. Okay, and these cabbage moths will lay eggs on your kale plants or your collard greens or on your cabbage plants, and they will hatch, and they will be the green caterpillars that eat all the holes inside your plants. I got a row cover right here that's protecting my collard green plants, so it's actually, and they're looking good too. Alright, there's actually a physical barrier between my plants and the bugs. Here I can't put the row cover because I got the sugar snap peas close to my Dino kale, so I had to spray some kaolin right there. Kaolin is a naturally occurring mineral. If y'all want to learn more about how to keep these guys off your plants, you want to learn more about how to grow your food, maintain your crops, get in our club, the Grow Your Own Garden Club. You can actually experience living food. Click the link in the bio. Let's go. It's time to grow.